You have to think I am
the best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been. There's no one can stop me.
Your lack of commitment is almost an insult to the people who believe in you.
You should be a monster.
Fortify your mind and feel this level of happiness as you rise.
The only thing that you can do is win so big that all of them constantly compare themselves to you, and then you'll forget they exist.
Lazy people do a little work and think they should be winning, but winners work as hard as possible and still worry if you're being lazy.
get back to fucking work. It's time to get back to work.
That's how winning is done.
Who cares? You're tired of them. Nobody cares.
Success is the only revenge.
We did not come this far to just break down and lose now.
It ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward.
It's on you. I'm a winner. I'm going to win.
You should be a monster, an absolute monster, and then you should learn how to control it.